At TSN, we understand. As a higher ed professional, you want systems and tools designed to meet your needs, not the needs of K-12 or businesses. Your audiences are different, and they deserve different solutions. That's why we offer the TSN Higher Education Visual Communication Solution, our post-secondary centered product that automatically addresses visual communication needs across your campus, in your classrooms, at your athletic facilities or food service locations, and even out in your community. We like to call these connections, and your implementation includes all of them to use when, where, and however you choose. Walk with me as we move from an overhead view of a college campus with its departmental buildings, dorms, student centers, and athletics complex to a map of how TSN's visual communication solution fits every part of the post-secondary ecosystem. First, colleges, universities, and technical schools dedicate specific screens throughout their campuses and common areas to Campus Connect. Every semester turns into multiple opportunities to channel a positive culture through every hallway or gathering spot. Second, they expand their on-campus reach into every classroom, lecture hall, or lab with Classroom Connect. Panels morph into communication powerhouses for putting your institution-wide or departmental announcements center stage in front of every student, sharing live events or enabling important alerts. Your whole campus community takes comfort in knowing its alert system sits at the fingertips of campus and building leaders. Notice how your athletic directors, coaches, and training pros use Athletic Connect in your gymnasiums, training rooms, sports venues, places where they control their screens and their messages, motivating and inspiring while they teach everything from tactical plays to proper techniques and sportsmanship. Cafeteria Connect screens show menus, nutritional information, and healthy tips. When they're not in use during serving times, they can quickly change to showcasing club activities, parking reminders, event information, and student celebrations. Because all of the connections across your organization sit in an integrated ecosystem, one click of a button means every person on campus receives the right alert message to keep them safe. And you can enable and disable alerts from anywhere via your mobile device. TSN also understands the necessity of communicating with your community. That's why we created Community Connect, to empower higher education leaders to share important news, like upcoming enrollment dates or job fairs in the locations where community stakeholders go every day. Imagine walking through the airport and seeing positive videos about the award the School of Education received for its work during COVID, or enjoying cappuccino in the local coffee shop and seeing your neighbor's work celebrated by the university. With Community Connect, you control the message without any social media white noise. The higher ed ecosystem includes all of these connections. One platform, one URL, multiple connections to use and configure however you want. You are always in control. After all, who knows your audiences better than you do?